Bay East 2018 Year in Review. Bay East Association of REALTORS began with two simple goals: to advance and protect the real estate profession. Today, we represent more than 5,700 real estate professionals throughout the East Bay. Bay East provides products and services that elevates members' professionalism, productivity, and profitability. Our members are valued as the knowledgeable, ethical, professional, and trusted voice of real estate. Bay East leadership creates a positive impact in our profession and in our communities. Our 2018 Association President Tim Ambrose said,
"Serving as the 2018 President of the Bay East Association of REALTORS was about helping others and making the right decisions to provide tools to help our members succeed as real estate professionals. Being president was not about being the leader of the association. It truly was about helping others."
While our size has increased significantly, our mission remains the same: to help our members succeed as real estate professionals. The strong Bay East culture enables us to thrive, as is evident in the various ways we engage with our members throughout 2018.